Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video I'll show you a very important VS Code extension which will save you a lot of time. So if you want to pin your files, only the files that you're working with, there is an extension. If you have a very long project such as I'm working on a Laravel project, but I basically edit a bunch of files only. Let's suppose inside my routes folder, I'm just editing these two files only. So I don't need to go to this entirety of this folder. So there is this one extension that you can install, which is just files. You can pin your files in the sidebar. So this is the extension here. It will select only the files that you are working with. So this is the file, just files. If you just write this, the very first extension which comes right here. So what you need to do, click on the install button, and as soon as you install this extension, so there will be this thing added right here. If you see, just files explorer. So if you just click this, now there will be two files added. So it will appear like this. You will see that just files explorer. So now if you want to add some files in the workspace, at the sidebar you will see this option will appear, add to just files. So just select all the files that you will be working on. Simply select one by one like this. You can see that how easy it is using this extension. Just select all the files that you're working with. So now you can directly open these files from the sidebar. You can see how easy it is to navigate between different files in the project. You no longer need to go to the entirety. You can just scroll down right here to create more space. So now you can see we are only working with these files. We are editing these files. So this will save you a lot of time. So no longer need to go to the long project. You can only select a bunch of files and then edit them. So in this easy way, you can use this extension. Just install it, activate this. So then it will add this just file explorer, and here you can add, if you want to remove it, you can click this. So this will remove it. So you can see how easy it is. Just go to any folder, just add this file. So I personally use this extension a lot to pin my files right in the sidebar section to easily get access to those files. So the extension is just files, simply install it and start using it. And also check out my website freemediatools.com, which contains thousands of tools.